And so my heart is paying now for things I didn't do. In anger, unkind words are said that make the teardrops start. Why can't I free your doubtful mind and melt your cold, cold heart? Hi there, everybody. Cold, Cold Heart, a classic Hank Williams song here. And I've got it arranged for the 5-string banjo. It's probably unusual to do a country song like that on the banjo, but I got something going on here. Closed pegs on the bridge. And that's why I get that sound on the video. It's got a more sustain. And it's not as harsh, so it kind of fits a slower song, like country music. This country music tune. So this song was written in 1950, and it was probably one of Hank Williams' biggest hits. And a lot of people afterwards, like Tony Bennett, Norah Jones, people like that, people outside the country music field, recorded it because it's such a great song. So I just looking at the tab. I'll post a tab up after this, and there's nothing new here from any of my other videos. I started off, well, I'm at the 5th fret with a capo because I have to sing it in C, and so I've got the arrangement out of G position, if you know what I mean. This is G tuning. This is normal G tuning. 5th fret puts me in C. So it starts off with a slide, 2nd string, 1st fret to 3rd. Slide to the 3rd fret, and then simultaneously hit. No, I guess I'm sliding and then hitting the 1st string. See? Other than that, there's the third complete measure. There's a 2 to 5 slide on the 4th string, and when you get up to the 5th fret, I hit with these middle index. I hit the 1st and 3rd string. There we go. And what else is there? There's that 2/4 partial D on the 4th string, 4th fret, 3rd string, 2nd fret. I'm talking, 2nd fret from the capo. I'm always talking from the capo. And then we kind of go to a full D. Hope you know that one. All right, like so. That's a D. It's a common formation. And farther down, I hammer on the 2nd string. You'll see it in the tab. And other than that, there's a few of those slides on the 3rd string, 2 to 3. You've seen those in my other videos, my other lesson videos. And I think that, oh yeah, the second last measure, you're against a D chord. The guitar's playing D chord, and we're hitting 4th fret, 4th string, and then I put the pinky on the 5th fret, 3rd string, so it makes it a D7. Okay. All right, so the video's coming up, and good luck with that. See you later.